So my name is Alicia, and I am going to tell you guys a little bit about Harrah's Las Vegas. So I checked in here Tuesday night around 6:30. I did the kiosk, which is very easy. It's super simple. You just put your ID in, or you can scan your passport, and they also give you the option to upgrade your room. So I upgraded. It was like $5 or I think it was either $6 a night. I opted to upgrade because I wanted like I wanted a strip view. At first I had a pool view, so literally I have a pool view and I have a little bit of the strip view. It's not like an amazing strip view. So this is my room view. So that's the link right over there, and then this is Harrah's, and it looks like Harrah's used to have rooms with balconies, and I don't know what happened, but they cut that out. But right down there you can see all those rooms had balconies. And yeah, so this is my view. I'm gonna show you guys really quick. Look at those mountains over there, like, y'all, they look amazing. So this is the pool down here, and the pool is really nice. It's smaller than the pools that are here in Vegas. So if you're looking for that pool, big pool vibe, this not for you. They do have cabanas down there with option to rent. You can rent those, but I'm gonna tell you, like, if you want a good seat at the pool, you need to get down there early, because I got down there at like 8:50 something, and there was already a line to get into the pool. Today is Thursday. Wednesday I rented a cabana. I got an upper deck cabana, and you get that from 9 a.m. when they open to close, and the pool closes at 6. So it's from 9 to 6. So if you do a cabana, you have it for the whole day. You can leave for like a couple hours and come back. They have a full-on bar. They have a drink service. They have a TV in the cabana, and there are like 2 chairs in there. It's really nice. If I got pictures, I can't remember if I took any, I will insert those. But yeah, I mean, it's really nice. They have a little pool area, and then they have a kiddie pool area, which is like literally like standing. You can just stand in it and sit in it. It's really for the kids. That's that second one over there. So this is just a little shot of my room. The bathroom's over there. It has 2 closets. I do have a room tour, so you can check that out. The only thing that I do not like is this sliding door, because if you're coming with friends or whatever, like, so it really does not give any privacy at all. And also another con that I don't like, there's no shower door. So if you make sure you put that down, because water is going to get on the floor. But like I said before, like, if you're coming here with a friend and you're not like as a couple, like, there's no privacy. Like, I had to go to the bathroom yesterday, and I turned on the shower because I'm like, you can hear when someone's going to the bathroom in there, and I don't like that. So I do want to tell y'all that you can order room service. There's lots, hold on, there we go. There is lots of restaurants and everything here. You have Pizza Cake, which is, you know, the guy from Cake Boss. They used to have was it a clam? It wasn't clam. They had an oyster bar, which is now closed, and they're turning it into Ramsay's Kitchen. Y'all know Gordon Ramsay. What else do they have? They have like other restaurants here. I think, is it Guy Fieri's restaurant is here. I'll link all the restaurants, or like put them somewhere down here. Last night I had got Bobby's Burgers, which is Bobby's Flay's Burgers, and I got like the veggie burger and some fries. The veggie burger was so amazing. Only thing, y'all, was the it was a lot of mushrooms in it, and I didn't like the mushrooms. But other than that, the burger was great. They have a place where you can get pizzas down there. I didn't really like that pizza place because the pizza place is right next to Bobby's Burgers, and that pizza had been sitting there for some time, and it was sitting there for so long that when I went to get my slice, he put it back in the oven. So I'm just like, okay. They have a nice little casino area. The casino area, they have like a little area. They have the lobby. I'm staying in the Valley Tower. I'm on the 21st floor. I've never stayed in the Mountain Tower though. And I also have like a bigger room that I stayed in last year, and I will link that tour for you guys. They have a spa here, which you can get massages, and they do other services, which I have not taken advantage of. And also, what I like about the Harrah's Resort is the location, you guys. The location is amazing. Caesar's Forum is literally right across the street. All you gotta do is go out the front of Harrah's, cross that street, and you're there. And they have lots of shops in there. They have lots of art galleries. It's really fun. Caesar's is right across the way. The Mirage is right across the way. What else? The Link Promenade, you guys. The Link Promenade, there's so much to do. They have the high roller. They have the high roller. Now last year when I stayed here, I had a view of the high roller, which was amazing to see at night. I do plan on getting on the high roller while I'm here. Let me see what else. But there's so many restaurants. We had Gordon's fish and chips yesterday, which was amazing. The shrimp I didn't like as much, but the fries were good. They were good, but they had pork, and I did not know that there was pork on them, but they were still good. I got a lemonade from there. Amazing. They have a Mexican restaurant down there. They have like a bar and grill. I love Sugars down there, and it's so much to do if you stay at Harrah's. Whether, like, if you don't plan, why do I keep going in the bad light? If you don't plan on leaving like the resort, or if you just want to stay close, there's so much stuff to do. Like last year when I came, I was like, Harrah's, but I was not disappointed. So much stuff to do. They have a selfie room here. Well, not here, but in a Link Promenade, where you can like take all these pictures. You pay a price and you go in there and you just take all the pictures you want. I would highly recommend it. I do like it. When I checked in, I opted for the option to do housekeeping. So my room has been cleaned every day that I've been here. Really like that. And you can tell that it's been cleaned. It looks nice. The hallway smells fresh. I think they're cleaning the carpet or something. When I did come in here, I did wipe everything down with my Clorox wipes because, you know, the times we're living in, and I brought some Lysol spray. It is hot, so if you're gonna be walking on the strip, make sure you have water. Make sure you put on sunscreen, because I did, I started to burn on my arm yesterday. But it's very nice here, and they'll help you with any questions that you have. You can get on the monorail from here. I think you go to the second floor. You go to the second floor to get to the pool. You go to the second floor. It's just a nice vibe for a cheaper price. So if you're trying to save a little coin and you want to get a bang for your buck, then you can stay here at Harrah's. I mean, they got a pool. They got stuff for the kids to do. The kids have a pool there. It's a nice place. I love it here, which is why I decided to come a second time, because I felt like I was comfortable here and I knew the area. But however, the next time I do come to Vegas, I will be planning on staying somewhere else, just so I can get affiliated with another place. But Harrah's is nice. I think I stayed for like 4 days, 3 nights. I paid like $100 and something. So it's very nice. And I got down here early enough to where it wasn't blazing hot down there. Like the building was blocking the sun. And yeah, so if they're down there, if you ain't in the water, they're getting scorched. But The bed is very, very comfortable. The pillows are nice and soft. They're plushy. They have that little block thing under the bed, that black thing. I love that because if you drop something, you won't leave stuff under the bed. You'll automatically see it. So I really like that. The bed is very comfortable. I like that you can control the temperature in the room. But like I said, I don't like the bathroom. It don't have a shower door, and the door, that sliding door, I don't like. And even if you come with a couple, like, I don't want my man to hear me like taking a dump, you know what I'm saying? So I mean, that's just me. But yeah, so yeah guys, it's in a great area. Highly recommend it. But if you're looking for something like fancy smancy or top tier upper level, then Harrah's might not be the place for you. But if you're on a budget, it is the perfect place for you. Like I said, you're trying to save them dollars, yeah, because I came here for like $300 flight, my flight, and I got travel insurance, flight, travel insurance, and hotel. So, and I just caught a cab when I got here. So yeah, and then they also have a little area where you can go down. You can catch they have a little part where you can catch the Ubers and the Lynx. Now if I was by myself, I don't really like that because it's kind of like away from everything. So once you cut around that corner, I'm solo traveling, so that's why I'm saying that. But if you cut around that corner, you're out of sight. So I was kind of not feeling that. Last year I did it, I was cool because I was with my boo, and then last night I did it and I was with my friend. But if I'm going anywhere by myself, I'm gonna stay in front of the building and I'm gonna catch a cab. I mean, like, safety first. Better safe than sorry. So I came in and I walked around a little bit by myself last night and I felt very comfortable. I came in the room by myself, nobody bothered me. So yeah, that's my quick little review of Harrah's. In case y'all wondering, you thinking about booking, yeah, I recommend it. So if y'all have any questions, let me know. Just leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. Like I said, I've been here for 4 days and 3 nights. So yeah, so I'm about to leave tomorrow. But I like Harrah's, like, I really do. So bye guys, thanks so much for watching. I have other Vegas videos and other Vegas room tours if you guys are interested in seeing that, and I will be having a vlog uploaded, so you guys can subscribe if that's what you guys want to see, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.